Hi students, we are going to see sum number 11 and 12 of exercise 7.6. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Sum number 11, x cos inverse of x divided by square root of 1 minus x square. So let me take I is equal to x cos inverse of x. Let I is equal to integral x cos inverse of x divided by square root of 1 minus x square. So we have to take what is the u value. So by ILATE, the first one is inverse. So we choose u is equal to cos inverse of x. U is equal to cos inverse of x, and obviously the remaining terms will be the dv value, that is x divided by square root of 1 minus x square. So now du divided by dx is equal to d by dx of u value is cos inverse of x, and then v value is integral of x divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Now we apply in the formula. I is equal to integral uv minus integral v du. So u value is cos inverse of x, v value is integral x divided by, this is x divided by square root of 1 minus x square into dx. So uv, the next one is minus integral v du minus integral v. V is once again an integral. So let me first substitute the d value, u value, that is du value, d by dx of cos inverse of x into v value is integral x divided by square root of 1 minus x square into dx. So this is equal to cos inverse of x integral x divided by square root of 1 minus x square dx minus integral d by dx cos inverse of x integral x divided by square root of 1 minus x square into dx. Now here we are having 1 minus x square under root. So let us take t square. T square is equal to 1 minus x square. So let us differentiate. Minus 2x dx is equal to 2t dt. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled and we are left with minus x dx is equal to t dt. So dx is equal to minus t by x into dt. So let us substitute the t value and dx value in I. So I is equal to cos inverse of x integral x divided by square root of t square, because we are having 1 minus x square. So t square into dx value is minus t by x into dt minus integral d. Okay, what is the value of cos inverse of x? It is nothing but minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into integral x divided by square root of t square into, what is the value of dx? It is minus t by x into dt. So let me substitute minus t by x into dt. So we have dx everywhere, dx, and here also dx, because uv minus integral v du. So in that we get dx. Now cos inverse of x integral x divided by square root of t square is t into minus t divided by x dt minus, the minus into minus is plus, and we have 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square integral. Now x and x gets cancelled, t square, integral of, square root of t square is t. So t gets cancelled and we are left with integral dt into dx. So this is equal to cos inverse of x. All the values gets cancelled and we have integral of minus t alone. Okay, we are having a negative sign. So integral of minus dt minus integral 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Integral of dt value is t. Okay, the integral of dt is t. If I integrate the dt value, we get the value t into dx. So this is equal to minus cos inverse of x, integral of dt is t, minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. What is the value of t? It will be square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, we are having t square now, so t value is square root of 1 minus x square, not t square, 1 minus x square. So minus cos inverse of x into t value is 1 minus x square minus this two terms gets cancelled and we are left with integral dx. So this is equal to minus cos inverse of x minus square root of 1 minus x square minus x plus c will be the answer. Sum number 12, x secant square x. So let us substitute. Let I is equal to integral x secant square x. So by choice of u, we take u to be x because it is algebraic. So algebraic comes first. So u is equal to x and the remaining dv is equal to secant square x into dx. So now du by dx is equal to differentiation of x is 1 and the integration of secant square x is tan x. So that is we found out the value of v. So v is equal to tan x. Now we have to substitute in the formula. Therefore integral x secant square x is equal to uv minus integral v du. So u is tan x, u is x, v is tan x minus integral v du. V is tan x, du is dx. So this is equal to x tan x minus, what is the integral of tan x? Integral of tan x is log modulus secant x plus c. So this is equal to x tan x minus log modulus secant x. We can write it as 1 by cos x plus c. So this is equal to x tan x minus log, this is a by b form. So log a minus log b plus c. So x tan x minus, what is the value of log 1? It is 0. So now we have minus into minus is plus, log modulus cos x plus c. Let me write here the reason. Log 1 equal to 0. So this is equal to x tan x plus log modulus cos x plus c is the answer.